In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access TradingView on Dhan, a seamless way to integrate advanced charting features directly with your trading activities. Let's dive in and make sure you have everything set up perfectly. First, we'll start by opening your web browser on your computer. It could be any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or whichever you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, you'll want to navigate to the dedicated Dhan TradingView URL. Simply type tvva.dhan into your browser's address bar, and then press Enter or the Go button. This specific URL is designed to take you directly to the TradingView platform integrated with Dhan, so it saves you the hassle of navigating through multiple pages. Now that you're on the right page, the next step is to log into your Dhan account. You will use your existing Dhan credentials here. Just enter your username and password as you normally would, and you're in. If you encounter any issues logging in, you might want to double-check your login details or consider resetting your password for security. Once logged in, you'll find a world of possibilities at your fingertips. You now have access to the full TradingView charting experience, fully integrated with your Dhan account. This means you're not just looking at data. You can actively trade stocks, options, and futures directly from the charts. The interface is intuitive and designed to make your trading experience as smooth as possible. Let's talk about some of the key features you can take advantage of. One of the standout elements is the live TradingView charts. These are packed with advanced charting tools and hundreds of indicators that you can use for technical analysis. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, these tools can significantly enhance your market analysis. Additionally, the ability to trade directly from the charts is a game changer. You can place orders right from the charting interface, ensuring seamless execution without switching between different windows or platforms. If you're into options trading, you'll love the options chain feature. It provides real-time data and lets you view option Greeks like delta and theta, which are crucial for analyzing options data. There's also the market depth feature, also known as DOM or depth of market. This allows you to see buy and sell orders in real time right from your charting interface. Understanding market depth can give you vital insights into supply and demand, helping you make more informed trading decisions. And here's a particularly exciting aspect. If you are a Dhan user with an active DMAT account, you can access these TradingView charts and features entirely for free. It's an incredible resource without any additional cost, so make sure you take full advantage of it. This setup is tailored to enhance your trading experience with comprehensive tools and data at your disposal, all within one integrated platform. Thank you for watching and happy trading.